All right, real quick, yeah, I got a quick message for you. I've been out today, end up getting back to the house. I go and check the mailbox, and look what I got in my mailbox. Right, this is from a company called LiquidLawn.com. Shout out to them. This is pretty great marketing, right? It caught my eye, it got in front of me, and I was just talking about how I like to study different brands and study different people's ideas or whatever and see what they're putting out there. And I thought this was awesome. Usually I would throw something like this away because I don't necessarily need a lawn care service right now, but I would just throw it away. But this is the second time this happened this week. So I'm like, man, you know what? Let me take this and share it with y'all and show you kind of what I'm talking about. Like, this could be something, right? And I've been thinking of different things to do, different marketing strategies. What could I do to start standing out or whatever? And I'm like, what could I take from this? And like, for instance, you could do something like right here, they got, have you got weeds or brown spots? What about bare areas, right? And they got a list of what they can do. If we were to put something out like this, we could be like, do you have an unreliable cleaning service? Is your staff, tired of cleaning? Is your staff getting sick? Something like that. And start putting stuff out there, right? So I guess the point of doing this, and they got, special offer on there too, right? Showing what they do. They got all the good stuff, the important stuff. Call me at this number. And I was thinking, man, we could do something like this. And going to events, networking with people, just putting yourself out there doing stuff is really, really great. And I just wanted to, I don't know, I wanted to get on here and show y'all like, man, this is what I'm talking about right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not their customer, but they're gonna make some money from this, right? Somebody's gonna buy this, or somebody's gonna call them and buy their services, right? So anyway, just wanted to throw some encouragement out there. I know people have been reaching out to me, letting me know that like they've been trying stuff, but it's not working or whatever. It's like, just keep doing it, right? Keep trying stuff, keep testing, keep experimenting. And I'm about to do something too. And I may end up doing some direct mail. I've never done it before, but I'm like, man, this must be a sign because this is my second one. The other one I just chunked, but I'm like, bro, wait a minute. Let me see what they doing. I don't even know where you would even get this from, but anyway. Oh, look at that. I just noticed that they got the number on here. This is number 434, right? So they've already sent out at least 433 more, right? Anyway, that's just besides the point. But all that to say, man, try stuff, right? Keep trying stuff. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.